Hey, good morning, everybody. Who here's heard the age-old adage, which came first, the chicken or the egg? Now, who here believes that the chicken came first? All right. Since the dawn of philosophy itself, man has been asking himself this question. Aristotle said, "For there could not have been a first egg to give the beginning to birds, or there should have been a first bird which gave the beginning to eggs. For the bird comes from an egg." Now, today I'm going to show you how and why the egg did in fact come before the chicken, and that Aristotle was wrong. I'll do this by going over defining exactly what the question is asking, and based on evolution and genetics standpoint, proof that the egg came first. So, what is the question asking? Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Eggs were around a long time before chickens, if not using the chicken eggs exclusively, such as fish, different birds, reptiles. If using the eggs exclusively, does the chicken embryo count as a chicken? Or can it not be a chicken egg unless it was laid exclusively by a chicken? Once we can get a definitive answer, only then we can agree about what the question is asking, and then we can move on. So based on evolution and genetics, eggs came first. Chickens are the domesticated version of the red jungle fowl, the species Gallus gallus. And evolution tells us that at one point, there were no red jungle fowl on the earth. There was none. So the red jungle fowl must have first had a parent. The first red jungle fowl had a parent, which by definition was not a red jungle fowl. Tracking? Thus, logically, there must have been some threshold of difference sufficient enough to make the red jungle fowl different enough to make it its own species. By this definition, the first ever red jungle fowl was the egg, because it came from two parents which were not red jungle fowl. So, in conclusion, by now, I hope that you've turned the corner, found a new path, and realized that only after you define the question, what it's asking, and based on the overwhelming evidence of genetics and evolution, that we can come to the consensus that eggs really did come first. So now finally we can give a rest to this age-old riddle, which has been plundering our minds for millennia, and can focus on solely on the true matters at hand, which press our daily activity, such as why did the chicken cross the road? That's it.